Alright guys, Catlin back here, number 3 on lesson 5, homework for the week. We got 2 stories, 2 equations, and we have to match the story to the equation, say what x represents, find the solution, and show or explain how we got there, and then what does the solution tell you about the situation. Lots of stuff going on here, so let's jump in. Family buys 6 tickets to a show. They also each spend $3 on a snack. They spend $24 on the show. Alright, so we know that 24 is the total. In this particular case, the family buys 6 tickets. So you get 6 tickets happening, so 6 times. And then everybody in the group also spends $3. So I'm leaning toward it matching this one right here. And that's because 6 X's, which would be like the price of the ticket, plus $3 for the 6 sets of snacks that were also purchased. If you were going to write a diagram for this, it would look like this. The total is 24, and we've got 6 people going, so you cut it in half, and then thirds. Right, so 6 people going, and every one of those is getting a ticket plus 3, a ticket plus 3, a ticket plus 3, 6 times that happens. So it would look like this. Alright? And so what does x represent in this equation? X is, let's write it up here. So x is the price for a ticket. Right? And then if I was to solve this, what I would do is I would think, alright, I got 6x plus 3s. So let's break this down into a single x plus 3. How much is 1x plus 3 worth? Well, I would need to divide 24 by 6, which gives me 4. So that means that every ticket was $1. So $1 per ticket. So I have answered the solution, shown my reasoning. What does it mean? It's $1 per ticket, yada, yada, yada. All right, let's look at the second one. Must be 3 times x plus 6 equals 24. Let's see why. Diego has 24 ounces of juice. He pours equal amounts for each of his 3 friends and then adds 6 more ounces for each. So the x is how much he gave them initially. So x equals initial juice per friend. Initial juice per friend, and then the extra 6 is the extra 6 he gave for each of them. So this makes sense that it matches. If you were going to draw a tape diagram for this, you would have 3 equal friends, each getting X amount of juice plus 6 more added. So it would look like this. Now, if 3 friends get X plus 6, then that means 1 friend would be X plus 6 only, and we would divide that 24 up into thirds since there are 3 of them. So every one of those would be worth 8. So X plus 6 is 8, which means X equals 2, because 2 plus 6 is 8. And that would be ounces of juice initially. 2 ounces of juice initially per friend. And there we go. We've answered all parts, A, B, C, D, and that is number 3. I think find the solution. Okay, we can do this one. Alright, if 6x plus 1 is equal to 24, then 1x plus 1 would be 24 divided by 6, which we know this is 4, this is 4, this is 4, 4, 4. 4 times 6 is 24. So this would be 4. 1x plus 1 is 4. Therefore, that x must be 3 to make that statement true. So x is 3. So there's my rationale, there's my explanation. Well, that's the answer to number 4. Pretty easy stuff.